Hey, it's 2 a.m. And I just made $4,300 bucks online. From my bed. In my worn out pajamas. Okay, maybe I'm overexcited, but here's the thing. While you were cold calling this week, you're 87th not interested today. Over 100,000 insurance agents, and many of them have figured out how to sell policies while they sleep. Or online with simple policies that require no physical or blood test. For final expenses and 1 to 3 million in term. I'm Russ Jones, and after 30 years of driving 90 minutes in rush hour California freeway traffic 3 to 4 days a week just to get to my best-selling area in California, I finally woke up. That crazy grind? It's a killer on your body and mind. Look, for the last 50 years the old school insurance game is broken. Cold calling 100 prospects a day? Forget that stuff. Appointments that ghost you? Check. Driving all over creation, burning gas and time? I did it for almost 30 years. Low commission splits that make you feel like you're working for peanuts? Double check. And for what? Low production. Missed family dinners. And a nagging feeling that there must be a better way. Spoiler alert, there is. And it doesn't involve a single cold call, a single blood test, or a single physical. Okay, pants are optional but recommended for Zoom calls. Here's what I discovered after 30 years in this business. What if you could sell final expense or $1-3 million term plans? Completely online? No agent involvement. No physical exams. No blood tests. Just a simple 10-minute application, and then policy issued same day. I call it selling insurance while you sleep. Here's how it works. You use our but ugly postcards, yeah, they're ugly, but they work, or social media to drive niche leads straight to your own personalized company website. We use widow leads for final expense. Insurance and wealthy investors for those big $1-3 million term plans. Everyone applies online. You wake up to commissions every week. No dealing with uptight underwriters who have never sold any in their life nor could. 90 to 120% commission, by the way. Direct with A+ insurance carriers. Oh, and you can literally do this in your pajamas because automation, baby. You can speed up the selling process 3 to 5 times. Which means you can double, triple, or even quadruple for your production. Imagine this. You're on a beach in Hawaii. Or hiking in Colorado. Or just sleeping in on a Tuesday because you can. And your phone buzzes with new text message. Another sale. Then another. That's not fantasy, that's what over 100,000 agents are already doing. You can travel the world while making money? Yes. Work 20 hours instead of 60? Absolutely. Your teenager kid or grandchild can do all your social media marketing. They're on their phones 6-8 hours a day, never cold call again? Hallelujah. This is the same system some companies use to sell direct to consumers online. Except you get paid weekly. As earned. Oh, and here's the kicker. You can also make $1,500 per agent you refer to the company. Here's how it breaks down. Your referral sells their first policy? You get $375. Their next 9 policies? You get $125 each. That's $1,500 per recruited agent who works the system and makes sales. And there's no limit. Want 1,000 California life agents to market to? We have that list ready for you. Build a team while you sleep? Now we're talking about passive income on top of passive income. For just $27, yeah, $27, less than a tank of gas you're not burning driving to appointments or chasing deadbeat leads, you get the complete mini marketing course. Also, the ugly postcard templates. Your personalized website from the insurance company. The niche lead sources. Social media templates. $1,500 referral system setup. Direct carrier connections. Everything you need to start selling insurance while you sleep. And because I've been in this business for 30 years and I'm not a jerk. 100% money back guarantee. For 12 months. You've got a full year to try this. If it doesn't work, get your money back. No questions asked. That's how confident I am. This will change your life if you follow the marketing system. Look, you've got 2 choices. Keep doing what you're doing. Cold calling. Driving in rush hour traffic. Chasing deadbeat leads. Working 60-hour weeks for mediocre results. Or Click below and visit www.success45.com right now. Get the mini course for $27. Follow our instructions to set up your automated system. And start selling insurance while you sleep. Over 100,000 agents already made the switch to online selling of insurance online. The question is, are you next? Go to www.success45.com. Let's do this. www.success45.com